Greetings, greetings, greetings to my lovely supporter them. Greetings, greetings. It's a festive season. I will say greetings to all my lovely supporters and all you new subscribers. I only hope you're my supporter and not just a fan or a follower. I need supporter, not fan. I am not hot, and I need supporter, not followers. Miss P, big up yourself. Jai Harper, greetings. I go and try with this first name one more time. Negretta, unstoppable. Greetings, mom. Greetings, greetings. JJ, what's up? You know it's no play. It's JJ. J Fabs. Scotty, what's up, Biscuit? Scotty Biscuit. Jennifer Ralph. Deborah Brissett. Canadian Nicole. Big up on yourself. Greetings. Greetings. Greetings to my lovely supporters. Greetings. It's a festive season. Greetings to one and all. All who not hear on the name. Just wait your turn. You understand? Or check past videos if your name have called. But if your name have not called and you're a hardened supporter who, fresh in the look of old brain, yeah, when you're in the comment and I see your name, I say, Tid. But no one of my hardened supporter this. You know? Yes, because the comment I got help me for remember somehow, because I remember a whole heap, So as I say, big up on yourself, all my new subscribers, welcome to the channel. Welcome to the festive season, welcome to the festive channel, Yeah, wanna know what they do now? Wanna just do the do. Continue to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. If you have not yet subscribed, I'm asking you, please take yourself from the 32% of non-subscribers and subscribe to the channel now. It's a festive season. Make it happen. Put a smile on everybody's face. Remember to hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Just as you hit the video, you hit the thumbs up. And please remember to watch the ads. Please remember to watch the ads. And remember the young YouTube entrepreneur, college student, or a link of our YouTube channel, Life with Gabby and Chevy, is in my comment section pin. It now costs you $1 to subscribe. Just go ahead and hit the subscription. So don't say, boy, you have to subscribe to me and it will cost you too much. It now costs you nothing. Just a few seconds, not even minutes, seconds to subscribe. And please remember the backup channel, which is my backup channel, Life is a Mission TV. Alright? Positivity over there. Outdoor cooking, indoor cooking, adventure to come, drama, news, cars, sad times, entertainment, commentary on a whole. And we do a live on a Thursday night, which is an open topic. We talk about just about anything. We depend on the light bulb right now. You just switch gear and gone to the flooring. And you wonder, so wait, now the light bulb does talk about, I'm gone to the flooring. That's why it named open topic. We can just switch from a topic and switch to something else immediately without any form of information to say, okay, we are moving. No, we just move. Alright? Big up on yourself. Anyway, people, look how much me not doing a video, because I never feel no vibes, but you don't know the work have to go on, so we just do it. But I come across a video here where this girl actually, this girl, I mean, I style my people in a good way and a nice way, so want to see with me. So all our new subscribers who might come on and feel like say, no, you can't style. It's not nice for you to say gal. Them you make themselves be a gal. So if you make yourself be a girl, not a woman, not a lady, not a girl, and you make yourself be a girl, why shouldn't I call you a girl? Me see me go out there, me see somebody, I mean I know their name, but it's a female. And I said, lady, do man dip up underneath, make wara. Do man say, lady, that your yard a clean floor. Lady, that your yard a clean a toilet. Me look like lady to you. No call me no lady. Me no know her name. And I feel like that would be the best way to address her, to get her attention towards what I was trying to get across to her. And I said, lady. And the lady did dip up on and eat me, boy. A good thing me did have a well tight pants, so she couldn't get to see well on me. But she did dip up on me. So this I want girl. Cause they make themselves that. Anyway, T-Dog. Mr. She come up on a video speaking that she's scared. Actually saying she's scared of losing her 3 point. And that's why she can't go her nice Starbucks anymore a morning time to get her tea and sit down and relax and do her video. And she have to be careful and she's so scared. Right? And I was like, damn. Is this the same person that goes around and make trouble in social media? And pretend as if, okay, she's no troublemaker. People always being the one who's troubling she. When she go out there and create the animosity amongst people. And when people comes out and get probably assistance from them friend or cumbler or people who love them to come out on social media and say things, to sit back and relax and play victim. Is it the same thing, girl? And before I could have asked the question, people. She switched from being scared. What me say? She switched from being scared of her 3 point. For her to lay herself careless in her car, doing life here and there, and then through the lady down a town they did say one at the time. All some of them in them car, them to be careful of how them speaking and troubling people. Because she take that and make a issue and bring it up back. When the woman was just trying to say, you cannot be somebody where you go east, west, north and south and everybody you make problem with. When you know you have to go east, west, north and south. Because you will never know when you will find yourself into someone's backyard. And as me talk about this issue, you see, you Jamaican guys that are driving these Digicel van around in Jamaica, when you know bad drive motorists a road and motorists try to get a message across to you and bring off all kind of, you know, and go on the most way. You know, remember this. Remember this. Please, any one of you people are here, have any family member that drive those Digicel vans out in the street of Jamaica, tell them be calm. Because remember now, they are doing a job that they can get a call from the dispatcher. Or they can go in and the dispatcher give them a job for a XYZ address. And when you check it out, when you reach right next door, right in front, right inner. That same man or that same woman where you disrespect a road after your bad driver. And it might not take it easy. So be careful. You don't know what you end up tomorrow morning when you reach a work, over yard, over community, which area you go end up when you dispatcher say you know stop bad up the people on the road when you bad drive them. You can't bad drive the people them and behave certain way upon the road, and at the same time you want to get at people, and then tomorrow morning you don't know which part you go end up. Alright. So at this me I say with this one you know. She come out and she go on her most way. And when people come out at her, she have a problem. People, I want you to listen to this video. Me hear a little pass with she and the woman named Dimes for a while now, but you don't know certain situation and sitting in a follow up. You understand? Because every town Carmel me eat, you know. Because everybody know for town Carmel. And that's why enough people don't like eat town Carmel. Because them have it's a dog food. But certain places you got ton cornmeal are the most expensive food. More than the one where you think is expensive, your oxtail and your ray and your fish. Because of how it looked after. So I know every ton cornmeal me eat. So me not really, but when me hear how she start her video, saying she's scared for her life, but at the same time, you are the one make yourself scared because of your behavior, and you try to get at everybody in a social media, especially people who is progressive, people who have business. You notice, no care who take you on in a social media, if you don't know them have a known business, you not follow them up. T-Dog. The person, if you have a business that operate where you know of, then you toe to toe with them. You throw all kind of shades all when the people them now look at you. You understand? So it coming like you have a symptom for people in social media where I run a little business, small, big, medium, large, whatsoever. For you not have a business on social media, you never see T-girl trade you like that. Or with the word that she always use, troll you. People, listen how she start that life, yeah. You never know the life will end up the way or it end up, because you'd have say, alright, she'll try go up on a more narrow party and all. But this is how she always start her life, looking sympathy, start it at a level, we get at somebody. This is, hey, you're so predicted.
And me and you just sit up. You remember, when I'm going to do them live, they feel like a while. It's been a while now since we sit down in my car in the daytime and really sit down and talk to you. Me have to be cautious. It's just sad that that's what social media has become, where I can't comfortably sit in my car at a known location. I usually go to Starbucks. I can't even go to Starbucks anymore and sit inside my car and talk to you guys anymore, because it's a place where people think they should just come there and antagonize me in a public space. That's the madness. That's how things are getting out of control on social media, where you can't even go by a nice little place like Starbucks where I go sit down and have my coffee at morning time. It's not even my safe space anymore. Sitting in my car, talk.
Who make it not safe? The same person we are complaining. You make it not safe, Because it's not like you're going into an area. Whoever Jamaican, you can probably speak for this. When the soldier them are going to do certain platoon and certain things, you hear them send out an advisory to the public, especially who live in that area. If you see any different movements in the area of Portland, St. Mary, or Ocheria, St. Anne, where you see a number of uniformed soldiers, they're just performing a training exercise in platoon and stuff. So be careful and be advised to stay away from this part of the area, because there will also be target practicing. Them give you advisory. And it's not like now, you hear the advisory and you put yourself in the line of fire. So if you go out there and rubber bullet catch you, you know it go, you can't blame nobody. You understand? So it's you now. You come out and you make the trouble. And when you make the trouble with people, you within yourself know say you make the trouble, So it make you so paranoid that you're afraid to walk the streets, drive the street, park in the streets, because you know what you have done. So it just make you paranoid. I don't like nobody just get up and randomly create problem and you don't know nothing about it and you walk in it, As what me I say, You know say you create problem on social media with Tom, Dick and him, with Harry and Tom and him Dick. You understand? Yeah, cause problem. So it make you paranoid. You understand? So now come out, you come go on like say people just see you and want to hurt you for nothing at all. This is how you always come out, come make it look. And I say people, the woman start the life so good. Well, honestly, Me did want to jump off and I said, let me go and listen to her. To see if she I go finish this live in the way how she started. And before she could have even done talk how scared she is, she gone right to the same things what makes she are so scared. If I don't pretend, she are pretend. What makes she are so scared to go in the street, to hang around. You understand? I it she go to. I'm gonna continue listening.
Talking to you guys at Starbucks is not my safe space anymore either. Because you don't know when one of these weirdos are gonna come there and do something. And you've heard them put word out on social media about that, you know? It's just sad, you know? Just very volatile environment, you know? Where you have to be always looking over your back for what? Because people have too much time on their hands.
You too much trouble you're making a fool with people.
You know, you just gotta be always watching your back because you have some
You
weirdos
cause it
on here where
by your
who
own
just
self.
don't know them limits and just want to go.
Look at me, people. There is no way I'm afraid to walk. Go. And when me walk, me nah look behind me, me nah do nothing at all. There is no way I'm afraid to drive. Go. Because me nah make no problem with nobody in a social media. More than when like all them ya come out, come to them foolish, me just come out, dissect it, show it to the persons where half and not really see or hear where I go on and me just break it down. Some people, there's a lot of people who listen. Alright, there's a lot of people who will get up tomorrow morning, sorry, and listen to individuals saying stuff. Individual like them, the naysayers, them, because them always have a lot to say. And them would just sit down and them just listening and ribbit it up in them head. But it's like them not get no time to break it down because how them bring it across like them a force it in your head. Bang! Bang! So when it goes on lodge in your head, it just lodge. And you just gravitate to it. Because you don't get no time to break it down and really look through what them a say. And I said, this really makes sense. This could have really go so. So I just run with it. But when me listen, and me said there is pure nonsense. No truth to this story. No connection, no there. Me not say, oh, this could have really work. Oh, you gotta tell me say the man walk through the back of the fridge and come through the front. Him can't even walk through the front and go through the back. Much as he can walk from the back when I had no door if he come through the front. And if he just take that, no. So when me come now, I say, people, oh no look. Oh no hear that. Oh no if you make people come and tell me say, man walk through back of the fridge, come through the front. The back now have no door. So how am I going to go through? And even the front we have the door where him can go through. How am I going to end up exit when no back no around there? I saw him a magician. So when me come and me break down the whole of that tone, at the time they know when I go say, but right, they know say true. Last night, you know, say, me I wonder if what she say, me I say something wrong here, so but me don't know how me just buy into it, you know. But now that you come speak me mind and you talk, you know, say true you talk. Kawa, me break it down. You know, it not just flash like when town not hear it on fear life or the person life, because not she individually, in general. You understand? So when me come and me listen them, and me hear with them and say and I chat the crap and the filth and the shit, me come out and me sit down and me break it down to you. You get a proper understanding. So by then, you can assess the situation at a different level now. And then when you come to know decision because I still not force something upon you. You understand? Simple as that.
Just want something to come and talk about and
so nobody now run me down the road for me look behind me.
Some little 5-year-old
but them a make problem
adult bodies and stuff like that.
And
You understand
enemies.
me? It's crazy. And they thinking it's funny, you know, that they come and try to disrupt your life and your livelihood. It's funny to them, you know, because everybody wants content and clout. You know, everybody wants content and clout, and everybody wants to have the first picture, the first this, you know, crazy. You know, you can't even come on here. I can't even sit in my car freely and talk to you guys anymore. When did social media become like that?
You cause it. You are one of them who cause it.
You know, where people are sending out sound, and I tell people, oh, people where I sit on.
Hey, she sound like a man where Yanim Can't have your bridging to, you know. One of they stand up around and you go some woman, you find out, say, right, I miss my billfold. And him find your billfold because you just miss your billfold, you know. But your billfold missing like 20 minutes ago. But you just miss it. So him there around you, so him find the billfold. So when you go and say, right, my billfold right there. And you start look, the man you find the billfold, but all the bridging to, you know, see me? And he might help you look for the billfold. Them time them find the billfold long time. You understand? So I like how them, you know, then come and then make the problem and then go and let them know about the problems. Then come and like, what's the problem? Where does the problem lie? And them I tell you where it lie when at them are the main source of the problem. When I listen to now, I got to talk about where 299 it come one of the time when I say most of you out there. And at the same time when she claimed to say people are scrape car and people are punch a car. Who remember that lie that she do? Yeah, and I think until I come out with a live and I say, boy, some of them are going and make trouble and this and that and make themselves uncomfortable on road and this and whatsoever. Some of them in them car and not speaking to her, you know. Personally, you know, the woman just attack in general because she's not the only one who do live in her car. Me do live in my car. Me do video in my car. It's just that the video different because the live now people can know why you're there. But she not the only one who do live in her car. But she take it up and say, the woman say and twist it. People will come do them things like she was like, and the woman say she go send people come do things. Listen, she not gonna stress well panic, but she does have to bring up something pertaining to the woman.
Them car, man can come shoot man can come shoot up car with people sitting in them car attack powerful. Like, where, you know, where did that conversation come from? Like, why is even something like that a topic? You know, I'm gonna buy my food before the
people, as me say, wasn't a direct thing to she. It was just a general speaking. Just as me said before, you can't know say you go east, west, north and south and you walk and make problem with people. Because you never know when you will make problem with a man today and tomorrow man the right time gate you end up. Just like when I come back down with the scenario about these guys who are driving the telecommunication vehicle out of the road and a bad drive people and a turn around and pad them up on top of it. I am just simply saying, I want to stop it because what? You don't know tomorrow which part of the dispatcher go send you. And you might just end up in a right another man the mouth, whether a female not go for do the wiring or whatsoever, or neighbor or whatsoever, you never know. And some of these man, them head not good. Some of these man, them just want to say, hey, one bag of mongrel dog when they don't want to bite you. You know, start it back, you know, kind of no pit bull. Some mongrel. Anything you throw, give them ready to bite you up. Yes, man. So you have to be careful. And this is simple, this. The woman did just try to say, stop make trouble with people and know so you have to go do this and do that and leave on yourself careless. And she never direct it to you. So I don't know how you pick it up.
It's lock. I'm gonna get my food now, man. You understand? Why is that even a topic? Why? You know? Why is that violent, volatile? It's just nasty. Nasty set of people just... Oh, Lord mercy.
Morning time, Starbucks, tea. Evening time, restaurant, food. What kind of life you not live? I saw hot, I want this, I want Tara.
You don't know. Crazy people. Crazy people. You think I want to live this way? No. Well, people are crazy.
You will continue to live that way until God ready for you because you don't have no change or change. Because if you're not change already, you're not going to change. You understand? Look on it. You miss it from social media for a couple of days because you just go on like you're smart, you know. You just use psychology. You're missing not coming doing any live, but you write up all kind of troublesome message. You do all kind of things. You go on everybody page and you type up and you say all kind of things. Because you're telling yourself there's no trace. You don't want no trace to leave. So you do all of that on other people's pages. So when people go on your page, you never do no live, you never say nothing. And after a few days, you're missing, you come back. And you don't come back with no change. You come back with the same filthy things. You understand? And you see everybody mistake and fault. You see everything where people supposed to do with them now do. You see every change where people supposed to make. But yet still you not doing none of the above. Why?
More like that, but I'm not really afraid to go to the bakery because the police station is like 2 or 3 doors down, and them regularly patrol. They regularly patrol the place, you know. So I'm not really nervous there. I can be there till like 3 o'clock in the morning because they're right there, you know. And that's New Jersey. Don't people really try that nonsense? You know?
That's why she don't go to the bakery like that no more, because she coward. That's what she has said, she afraid. But when she ever said bakery, she said it's so nice. Like, you know, when you're the owner of a bakery. Yes, man. That's why you don't go to the bakery that much no more. So which part you bake? Festive season. All those products where you put out, I wish part you bake them. Side-eye washing machine. Remember, separate the baggy them from the table towel and the dish towel them. Don't make no mistake. Alright? Alright, let's just go switch the argument now. As me say, and step up the tempo. Alright, cause me say, this is why she afraid to walk a road. Because she always insert herself in a people business. She always try to see people when I see her. Like she try to cause an animosity, a fuss with people. You understand, for no reason. And this is the reason why she paranoid if what she say is true. You understand? And she have all right too. Because you just look on the amount of people she mess with in her phone. She mess with so many people before me start fed. Remember me hold on her, you know. Me hold on her, she said she what? 47? And me hold on her by enough. Because me have 50. You understand? And she fast with the amount of people in her phone long before me start fed ya and start fed ya. Till me agree ya and me agree ya, me agree ya and me agree ya. So for show you how long she a mail with people in her phone. So she have all the right to be paranoid. Listen now, go take it to most of the woman who me say name Dimes. Alright? Listen.
Social media kind of make you see people some other way. Yeah, I think she didn't have more brain than that. Honestly, I thought she had a lot more brain. I didn't think she was so empty-headed. I swear to God, I never knew. But I knew something was kind of off when I realized that, you know, you remember I tell us I go up on our website and I'm like, you need to fix up your website. No.
What the woman website have to do with you? If the woman want dance and align herself with dance so can help her, you bright and you can fix up your website and a be like you come tell about your website crash. It come like the amount of time your website crash is more crash than with Jamaica have a year time. You understand? The accident unit said them have 400 crash up to yesterday, which is Tuesday. And your website, the amount of crash that crash. You understand? And your business now function, right? Your business are going so good and you're so educated that every minute your website crash. And yet still we can't see. But yet still you come and insert yourself in the woman business. What your business do woman want done and she need to align herself with somebody. Listen, if the woman, whosoever the woman have a deal with her website or she a deal with it and can't deal with it, all she have this fork out her money and get somebody to deal with it. All it need is funds. You not have to educate it. You know what big businessman have company out there? And him hire CEO, him hire BEO, him hire manager, him hire financial, him hire all kind of people. And him just sit back as they dance. Because him put the collaterals up front, which is the cash. But guess what me know? Despite him dance, all the educated people, them when put in various different positions, can't play with the collaterals. Because him bright there so. 99.9 we were duns. When it come to the collaterals, we bright there so you can't fool with. When a man can't check money, him pass duns. Dunces. Not done, sir. Dunces. Because the baby on the breast are the first thing that them know if check money before them even say mama. You understand? Dada. 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 Mama. And that we know baby normally learn to say, you know. But probably if you listen good the first word that they pick and they say before and say dada. Mama. You hear him say money. Money. Yeah? Alright. So when a man can't check money, him are the dunces. So you know if you have education, from you have the collaterals, you pay for what you want done. You understand? And that is why you have people go do all kind of degree, figure, roll on, body splash, whether it want name degree, then go do it. Because what? They want to hire in these big firms that is going to need them education where them have and skill set. So them can demand a high salary and for you have the collaterals to pay them. You don't want nothing more. You don't need to have it. Not to say you don't want it, you know. But if you don't have it, you just don't have it.
They're friend. You see, I'm gonna tell you what I realize with them. With the people that she's very familiar with. You notice none of them help them one another really. They don't really help each other, if you get what I'm trying to say. Yeah, they share each other and they do this and then they pick up them one another. But really and truly, none of them, all of them, they make one, if you get what I'm trying to say. Them not really help them one another like effectively. You understand? Like,
Yeah, but help
because
yourself.
no brain is there.
Not even
No
yourself.
skill is there. No business skill is
You
there
can't help.
to help them one another. You understand me? Yeah. No brain is there. I thought she was a better person.
You have all the brain. I come like you come in a return of the living brain. Who know that show there? When return of the living and them brain. We want brain. Come like you have all the brain. But where the brain put you? You can't even help yourself. You understand? You have all the brain and you can't help yourself.
Honestly, I did. I thought she was a better person. You know, I really did think she was a better person. I mean, I knew she had indentures. That was no, I knew she had indentures. I've been known she had indentures. And I could have cursed her about her dentures, but I never did because, you know, it's dentures. You know, dentures happen to everybody. You know, and maybe she got into a car accident. I don't know. You know, there are multiple, just like how me lose my teeth and people that tease me about my teeth all the time because them think are rotten teeth when it's not rotten. My teeth is not rotten. But them think are rotten teeth and them are tease me about it. I could have teased her about, I could have been childish and teased her about her dentures.
People, pig incident, cow incident, hog incident, goat incident, the same spot where she a say, I no rotten teeth there, she lose her teeth. Cause she feel like people out here are idiot. You notice she no laugh no more on that side because she realize that we detect it when she laugh around there. And she hardly laugh now, most of the bad color tongue she long out and she soon stop long it out. People, coincident, look here, me I show which part people lose teeth. Not lose it like lose it. Me take it out because me find say it chip. No, that one that did a shake, right? And I saw me take it out. Look when people lose teeth, you see, look. See? Look here, see? See? See there? You don't see nothing rock off in the area stuff. See there? Look good. See there? Look. See there? Yeah. That's when people lose their teeth. You see beer gum. Not seeing this the upper part of the wide part of the teeth, yeah, so broke off in the head, yeah, so, and then underneath, yeah, so rotten out. You don't lose no teeth and one big rotten teeth here broke off in your head. Why you fool the people them and them a see? Educated woman. And so you want to come fool dunce? With eyesight I see, you don't need education for sister a rotten teeth here. What that's see there? The shower when people teach you listen, see there? That's how listen to it. You understand? A space that can run a river through. See there? Your space no river can run through it. Cause it have one big old rock stone there. You understand? So the water now go flow free. That's how when you lose a teeth, you see the big old space and the gum. Not the gum with one big half a white up in here so, and when you look at the end, one big old rotten part broke out and decay. Now come tell nobody about you lose teeth. Rotten teeth you have. I dare you come on your phone, on your live, cause somebody must see this and tell you how you see it, you know. And come so, come show it so. Yeah, oh, is that close? So we can see his face. Where you miss the teeth. Come show this face where you miss the teeth. One big old rotten teeth rock out in your head. Same place there so people. So hug incident. With your liar tell boy you lose teeth.
Because I've been known she got dentures. I've been known. But I just didn't tell nobody.
But what happened now? It's like she assuming because it look like she know. Because she not know nothing and people come at her and she not take it tell them. Not no more than she assume say the lady having denture in her mouth. And she might find out, I start assume that lately. But too she know she got to talk about the woman denture. And it's better to having a denture than having a big decayed teeth in your mouth broke off up in the head. Because most time when them teeth they broke off up in the head, they're afraid to take you out, you know, because the pain will take a cause if they take you out, you know. You understand? And that's why most time when doctor tell you, I got to take out your teeth, them tell you say relax, please to relax. Because if this teeth broke off in your mouth, it's going to cause even more pain and pressure upon you. So just relax, make her take the tooth out. So when them broke off, right now, decay and broke off up in your mouth, they're so afraid to take you out. Nah, see. Boy, you miss tooth.
I've been known. You know, I just leave her and left her to time. You know what I mean? I just sit down there and smile to myself. I'm see her over there go on with herself. I just smile to myself. Come and
and she's just making this life like, okay, she's just talking nice and decent. But if you don't listen to her, you know, I bring down the woman, you know, neatly, you know. Neatly, I try bring down the woman just as she do everybody else. And make it look as if, okay, I'm doing it with so much ease. So true, she do it with so much ease. You not detect what she do because she not in an arrogant state. She not cuss. She not this. She bring down the woman. Like she smart. I try bring down the woman. With your big old decayed teeth.
she like I go like she has somebody like get the hell you know? You know, it was funny to me, but you know, it's dentures, you know. What the hell? You know, dentures can happen to anybody, you know. But what really got me was when she started looking down on people, you know, acting like her shit better than people, you know. Your shit is better than people. You don't need to be on social media selling clothes like that, like a potty shop, like a chop shop. Your shit better be correct, you know. Acting like she's better than people, you know. Looking down on people, acting like she's better than people. If you're better than people, you don't need people's money. If you're better than people, you don't need to be selling them fake good.
I mean, if you're better than people, and don't want to walk and beg people. Don't want doing a business. You know what are them businessman the downtown? Even look at your old cockeye friend, how she cockatoo when she has sell it to look a ranking sheet them. Eh? Me never know say people can have ranking things, roach piss. Smell so rank. Me normally, you know that smell some people or some pitney out there rank. Me never know say roach piss so that's so rank. And you not talk about that. And look how cockatoo she is when she has said look a roach sheet and curtain and sitting them. And disrespect her own customer and supporter them. There's a lot of people out there want to go with them big store, the rich millionaire there. You don't care if you see them and say man in a film store you go. Because if you say man, I'm going to ask you who you're talking to. So you mean, the woman that go on like, she better than people. She shouldn't be collecting people money. I sell the woman, I sell her business she do. And that's why your business stagnant. Because how you think and how business run. You just feel like how you think as how business run.
If you're better than people, you don't need to be selling them bad wigs. If you're better than people. You understand what I'm saying? We're all here trying to make it, yeah, but don't come on here acting all stink like you better than people. No, don't do that. You know. You know, see, you see any line in our teeth, them? You know, the whole we have lines in our teeth. You see any lines, spaces in our teeth? You see no space in our teeth, them? Eh? Me can't floss my teeth, them. And as anything itch up in my teeth, them, me a floss. You see she a floss? Eh?
Oh, you have to know if the woman a floss. You know man live in the same bed, sleep in the same bed. You know man live in the same room. You know man go school together, I used to go school together. Oh, you know say the woman a floss. You see, Father God, help those that need help.
I knew all along she had dentures. I just laughed to myself. There's a lot. I know so much, but I was just like, like, whatever. I was like, you know, certain things that really bother me, you know, like, very fake. With them bad wigs, you know, them wigs are awful. You know, sometimes, honestly, people, Mama telling us something, right? Sometimes things happen to people, you know, and you know, you just don't feel sorry for them. Just leave them right there where they're at, because sometimes they're beyond help, you know? They're just beyond help. Just leave them right there where they're at, baby love. You know, because when I first saw her and her 10 people on her website, on her live, I was just trying to help her. And that's the part that hurts. You know what hurts me a lot?
You have to start from somewhere. Sometimes some people depend live. And when them click live, it take all 10 minutes before you see one or two somebody go on the live. And by a few seconds, you don't see nobody on the live, but the people them still up on the live. You got to start somewhere. It's you, the person who have the platform, to try and bring something to the public so the public can gravitate to. So if the 10 person will come on our live and gravitate to what she has said, they will pass on the message to other people. And that is why we always said share. So it take that share there for other people gravitate, because not everybody are going to know about you at once. But when you share, people get it's more easier for people to know about you. And then by that now, the content where you carry, people fall for it, love it, whatsoever. You're frightened if you see you start at 20, 30, 40, 50, and you just excel. There is nobody out here so can come tell me, say, when them go some make them platform, the first time them go live, them have at least 50 somebody on them live. None. Because guess what? The main thing, nobody never know you before. When I say know you, in a social media. So always you come and go so live, you have 50, 100, 300, 1,000, 2,000. Where did that bring so? Eh? It's not like, say for instance, you have video live action of something will happen, and people see it and just start share it out, and people jump on. Just normally they're on your phone and you just talk whatsoever you talk about and whatsoever. And that happen? No. So you have to start somewhere. So you chat crap. You just want to tell the woman what you do for her. If you do anything. Because I don't really know nothing about the side, you know, about the thing, you know. Because I say every cornmeal me eat, you know. My cornmeal, if you have in coconut milk, okra, and all kind of something, you can just turn like when you turn it for give dog normally. You understand what I say to you? So I know every affair when I say that, not classifying these people are, although one of them name T-Dog. But I not, you don't understand what I mean? I know everything me I go jump on because it's not really, say, the dimes what she a talk about make me a bring this tone, you know. Me just a bring this tone how this woman start the life, how she scared for her 3 pints, and you know, she can't sit in her car anymore and have her coffee at Starbucks and that. And then me just a try to show, you know, she the one that caused that. And not even before she done the live, the same things them what she do, day in, day out, will cause her for so paranoid that she can't stay at Starbucks and drink her tea or stop anywhere and do her live or expose herself to the wider public certain way. And the same thing she end up on the same live. This is why I bring it to you know, educational purpose, to educate you about these people.
Is knowing that a lot of these people that are doing me wrong, I genuinely help them. Like, I
See the
genuinely
victim
wanted to
now
help them.
again?
Like,
What she a play?
there was no ill intent or nothing like that. Nothing. I genuinely wanted to help them because I do know that as Jamaicans, a lot of us are lacking the educational
You
part of
alone
things, if you get
bright.
what I'm saying,
I mean, I see what you achieve.
because, if they're of a certain age, they will lack that part, So if I know more than they do, I will attempt to help them. And that's what I do. And these people turn around and stab me in my back to cloth hole. I say, no, sir, me not help them no more. Me them stay right with them there. Because you can't help somebody who don't have a vision. It's not going to work. If them don't have a vision, them they're beyond help.
If so be the case, and these people, as I said, in your back, probably you're just, as we all know in social media, you come and you play a victim. So there must be something that you have done to these people for this to happen. And basically, it is simple. You figure more or less, say, you give the person this white and pretty. So because you give the person this white and pretty, the person can only afford at some point when you probably need back something to give you something with color upon it. It have white, but it have color upon it. You don't appreciate this because you figure more or less so you give the person something white and pretty, then they give you back something white and pretty. And because you don't get that, you make a problem and a fuss out of it. That's so everything start change. And it not change to the best, it change to the worst. So you are that type of person, and it is evident. This is the reason why you can't keep my friend, and then you come say people are in the back. You is at fault. You can't be just one single somebody, and 100% always a fall out with you. You must be the problem. So you want to tell me, say the 100% will fall out with you each time you get entangled with them. Are the same mindset, the whole 100 have the same type of attitude them have towards you. Or when one come from east, one come from north, one come from south, none of them never used to them together. You are the problem, man.
Great. When me try help a couple of them, yes, what them do? Try take down my business because what? No, sir, me good.
What business?
Me not help none of them. Make them stay there without a vision. Because people figure her out, ticklish. People sister she fake. Because it's in her tone, her demeanor, everything about her is fake. So she can't block me all she wants. She feel if I move, your body hard like rock stone. Your shape like the bridge you saw, where me I look on. She can block me all she wants, okay? I don't care. That's what you get for running up in a hype. You understand? You don't notice me as much as them talk shit about me, you don't notice me run up in a hype and run up in a people. Yeah, me used to share our life. Me not run up in a people, baby love. You can't count per one and how much. You see, none of them share my page. No, none of them not share me to them page. All my business what me I do, and me I do it, except for my followers, them will come, them know about me because I market myself, I push myself. Nobody not share my page like that. You understand? Me never forgot to them for them share my page. None of that nonsense. If
you couldn't have done the live without come that plane. Earlier on you talk about them say you can't sit in a car because and whatsoever. But you have to really come this plane. Me David highlight the part there to say you have it, but no, me have to highlight it. Auntie couldn't stay out of your life. Auntie.
you have any farmer skills whatsoever, you wouldn't have forgotten that. You wouldn't have to throw me under the bus for go sell 2 pieces of clothes. No.
Everybody throw you on a bus. Everybody, you say the man in England throw you on a bus, the woman in Jamaica. Anytime young people fall out, at them are your problem. At them are the problem. Me never hear you come out here and take responsibility for what happened. It's always the other party is the problem. Throw you on the bus.
With somebody who's just hype, line up yourself with somebody who have a brain what can help you for the long term. Don't just line up yourself with somebody because you can, because the hype not gonna last long.
Why have a master's in engineering? Why have a master in, technology? But yet still, you're downtown in a one supermarket or in a one Chinese shop a pack goods. You understand? And a pack shelf. Where the sense? Because with your brain what you have, you're just like a man with a master's in engineering or a master's in technology. You understand? And a pack one Chinaman shelf for the Chinaman depend. I'll show you shut up. I use them foot and shove you over and say, move the flower from there. Put the rice up a little. You know? Yeah. You have your big education, but wait up with you.
You understand? It's not gonna last. You understand? My ear say my cake she didn't want, which is a good thing. It's okay. She didn't want my cake. Okay. That's cool. Which is why I mean, I understand how you didn't want my cake and then.
So you should switch now and gone to Alicia, because she depend dimes. Now she soon switch gone Alicia.
Still throw me under the bus, lady. Eh? You still throw me under the bus. I didn't want my cake. That not make sense. Eh? So basically, my cake was nothing to you anymore as soon as you reach the big platform over there, so, right? You reach the big platform and my cake was just foolishness now. I don't... Listen. Other that she reach the big platform ticklish and she forget everything. But she not for remember my cake, but I just say like she start forget herself. She start act like she brand new, like her shit can make patty, like she this, she that, start show her what, but how she gonna start align herself with people who are going somewhere. I say, good on you too, boy, you want to align yourself with people who are going somewhere. Good on you too. If you in your 40s and not reach it, you're not even started. So when you're gonna reach, you talk about you align yourself with people who are going somewhere.
The woman says she can align herself with people that is going somewhere. Koyoto, if you're in your 40s and you just go align yourself, I hope you go tell Curly that we are talking about she want her look a bit, big a bit. Figure her house because she not buy none. She want to find a husband to buy her because she have her good suck a bit. You understand? I hope you go tell her if that never happened when she young. Why now? When all obsessed and sister grow up on it, she go get one husband with that to buy her house. I hope you tell Curly that like what you tell that woman, yeah.
Stepford wife. I call her the Stepford wife because of how she act. She act like her shit can't make patty. All right? That's who I call the Stepford wife. What, body or her clothes? I mean, that's her style. You know, people style after them style still, but...
You know, so that girl are just jealous. She jealous of her people. Every day she come, she body shame. She talk about your clothes. She talk about your people ear. And when you look on the girl, away from when the cheap ear just do and the data twist it around and sitting. In 3-4 days or a week's time, the way she beat the ear and truth not genuine, I don't know, quality ear, it just flag out and she still wear it. When she can't wear it no more, she tie up her head just like her head tie up on this alive here with what you call it, tired. You criticize people about clothes and when you see her in nothing sensible. Nothing sensible me never see her in. You understand? But every day you criticize people. I just jealous of the people them, you know. You're just jealous of the people them, how them look and how them dress. Because you're like a skimpy wimpy where you have to wear. If expect a man to call to you, because you can't wear a formal dress or a skirt and go out there and feel comfortably in yourself. And knowing that with this way me in a man must see me and call to me. No, you have to wear something up on your horse and clean it out. You understand? If you don't wear them, they sitting there tight so you feel like you hold your belly will drop down you know, your belly bottom, a man I go feel like say a fat there so. When woman fat, I know that's how it show. Woman fat show under betwixt the legs. Not in front. I know fat that. I know fat woman something fat there so. Oh. When you want to know if woman fat so, I betwixt the legs you have to go. So when you're in a year, you go tight up, sitting them and tights and short up, shutting them and feel like a man going to say a large fatty, that's just figure of speech. Because that's no identification of fat. When I say fat, you don't know what me I say when the man them say, the people, the woman them something clump up so, yeah. And this is why you dress that way there, to attract man, because you know, feel confident within yourself, to dress formal, and expect say, boy, alright, me I go out there, man, I go call to me. Yeah, man. You're not proud of yourself, so you're jealous of the woman them are proud of themselves.
Me personally, even though she didn't ask for my opinion, I feel like her clothing style is tacky, you know, very, very tacky and old and aged. You know, her clothing style just like she needs some oomph. Like her taste in clothing is just really off. You know who she reminds me of? She reminds me like, you know, when you go country, and you have everything, you have all of the clothes them, so you just put on all of them one time. You know, when you get married, you just put on all of your clothes them one time.
You shouldn't be the one for tell people about clothes and dressing. Trust me.
The whole of them are tear a page out of your book door. What you mean, Ingrid?
You wipe them ass? Any page out of your book?
1 minute she have on boots with this tights and this bag of clothes. I'm like, what the hell is this? NASA. Oh, she said she a hot girl, you know, so I expect her to look like hot girl. No, so she not ready yet. She make Bronx people look bad, and Bronx girl can't dress. She not ready yet at all.
You know the artist thing, I never see this girl post a pic where me can say yes, it wow me. Put her, you know, her personal attitude aside. But me never see she post a pic where me can say yes, that pic wow me. And all the time when she posts these pics, she always feel like, okay, it's the greatest of pics in the world. Me never see her post a pic where wow me yet. Trust me. And me know you go overboard to where you have on because you feel like, okay, yes, this is it. I got it. Yes, I was dressed by Halle Berry, designer. Never wore me yet, but you love criticize people.
Probably because of where she got hers done, you know? Yeah.
Listen, because this is not Patakos Keckle. You understand? This is far below Patakos Keckle. You understand? Listen. About body doing and all them something there. You listen, she. Coming to the end of the video. Right, that's what I done.
Because mine don't look like that. I don't have that. It depends on where she got her work done, you know? Because if you're going to look at chop shop, it's not going to look good, you know? And then remember, you know, it was notorious back then for people to be getting injections and stuff like that. A lot of them got injections in their buttocks, which is why their buttocks look so very protruded. You get what I'm trying to say? Yeah. It doesn't look like it was done. It just looked like they got injections in it. Now, when you get injections, it looks very much like out of place. You get what I'm saying? Yeah. So like that one now, that one looks kind of out of place. Because she probably got injections done.
And a chop shop you go, you know. A swap shop you go. Yeah, man. A swap shop you go and a chop shop you go. Because if you cause somebody out them body, look how it done. Look pan for you. Look pan for you. your breast, your body, everything what you're doing already. Speak my mind, people. Thanks for watching again. Want to know what to do, continue to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Remember to hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please to watch the ads, and remember the Young Entrepreneur College Student Life of our YouTube channel is in my comment section. Pin the link, I should say, Life with Gabby and Chevy. Give her a subscription, it now cost. And remember, the link of the Cash App is in the comment section. $ Life is a Mission TV. And please remember, continue to support the backup channel, Life is a Mission TV. Alright, big up on yourself. All of my new subscribers, them, if you're not subscribed to the backup channel yet, Life is a Mission TV, go subscribe to the channel now. Life is a Mission TV. Once you type it in, you're going to see it pop up. You must see what go on. When you hit it, you're going to see my face. Me, that positive things over there. Alright? In the kitchen, out of the kitchen, drama, entertainment, everything over there. Thursday night, live show, open topic. You understand? Talk about just about anything. Thanks for watching again. Big up on yourself. I'm out.